I was waiting for the last train home. It was past midnight. The station was empty. No announcements, no staff, just the hum of the lights. Then a train arrived. No schedule, no sound. It just appeared. The doors opened. Inside, people were sitting quietly, not asleep, not talking, just staring forward. I stepped in. The doors closed. The train started moving. But the tunnel outside the window wasn't moving with it. The walls stayed still, like the train wasn't going forward, but something else was happening. I checked my phone. No signal, no time, no date. Just one notification. You're not late. At the next stop, everyone stood up at once and left. I stayed seated. The doors closed again. The train never stopped after that, and I still don't know where it's taking me.